Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your forward focus steering wheel. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked and not moving. Then, look directly under the steering column for a small lever. This is your adjustment lever. Pull this lever firmly downwards to release the steering wheel's lock. You should feel it disengage, allowing the wheel to move freely. This initial step is crucial for making any adjustments safely and effectively. Now that the steering wheel is unlocked, you can easily adjust its position. You can move the wheel up or down to find your ideal height, ensuring a clear view of your dashboard. Additionally, you can pull the wheel closer to you or push it further away, which is known as telescoping. Experiment with both movements to achieve a comfortable driving posture that allows full access to your pedals without stretching. Once you've found your perfect steering wheel position, it's time to secure it. Push the adjustment lever firmly back into its original, upward position until it clicks. This locks the steering wheel in place. After locking, gently try to move the wheel to confirm it's completely secure and won't shift during driving. Also, double-check that all your dashboard gauges are clearly visible and not obstructed by the wheel. Achieving the right steering wheel position is key for both comfort and safety. Aim for a slight bend in your elbows when your hands are on the wheel, and ensure your wrists can comfortably rest on the top of the wheel without leaning forward. This posture helps reduce fatigue and improves control. For more great tips and to upgrade your home, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.